go to Magic once and I just watch it just run away from me. Is that water? No, that's Hinakami. So Hinakami and Zen and Edie Zen and Edie Tanjiro. Let's go.
Alright. Do we have regular? Is this like mirrored? No, we have. Wait.
Finally. No, because he's
Oh, they have
regular.
They have HK. So they have regular Zenitsu HK, and then O9 has.
And then that has the Edie boys.
Yeah. Okay.
Big damage. Clip by Zenitsu. Just putting cautious here, caught by a grab.
Chaos is Jay's. Chaos is Jay's, guys. I have the names up top.
Yeah. Ooh, that was almost death.
That was almost death.
Oh, nice parry though.
That is
game.
Okay, that's round 1 to Jay's.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Nice parry. Then, alright, escape. Ooh, clipped it.
Nice.
That was a nice parry. He didn't believe it though.
He did not.
And there's a nice heavy. Nice round.
That was a nice heavy.
Ooh, that dropped. Ooh, and he whipped the heavy. Push and have nothing to extend that.
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh, cross slash. Push block cross slash is devious.
Really #1 Xbox? You are not #1 Xbox. You are not #1 Xbox. Oh. You won 1 tournament.
I said 1 tournament's enough.
Alright. We're surging. Surge battle.
Surge battle. Jayza is just throwing these out. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
That was a nasty parry. What was that?
Emo, you might be brilliant. I am brilliant. Thank you. Alright, let me put it like this, right? When Demon Slayer was alive, nobody cared the fuck about Xbox at all. But then when Demon Slayer was dying, that's when you guys started paying attention. Because there was nothing else to watch.
That's when they started coming out the woodworks.
Exactly. You guys didn't want to watch this at all. And then you guys were like, ah, the game's dead. Who's still playing this game? Xbox. Xbox is shitty anyways. I know X-Mon is not speaking right now. Shut up, X-Mon. Half of the Xbox community has beaten you.
X-Men. O9Striker went Edie and Nosuke and Ren Goku. Interesting team.
Can you stop calling games dead? Sorry, man. I'm sorry, but this game's dead. Who's commentating? That'd be my boy Cash. Say hi, Cash.
Howdy.
There you go.
Howdy. I mean, to some aspects it is dead. What the fuck is that? Whoa!
What was that?
What was that?
Took my breath away. What the fuck? This game is not dead. Guys. Guys. Guys.
Guys, I need y'all to understand. When a game's base goes from averaging 1,000 players a day to having less than 50, The game is dying. The
The
game
game
is
is
dead.
dead.
We not gonna do this.
Say ranked is dead. Fine. No. You guys have to understand, playing with the same people, like the same fucking 10 people every day, the game is dead. There are absolutely no new players coming to Demon Slayer. Even
Well, I wouldn't say
with
that.
DST
There are some new players coming to Demon Slayer, but if the ranked is dead, more or less you can say the game is dead. Or if you can't find casual games as well, the game is more or less dead.
Yeah.
If I have to be reaching inside my clan or to reach to people that I play with every day just to get games, the game is more or less dead.
Exactly.
How is the game getting back active now that the new game has been announced? Yes, and we love that.
Yeah, but it
Outside of that, that's that. Also, that damage though.
that damage
That's a
is
nice
insane.
combo.
Jesus Christ.
Clip by Rengoku.
Oh, the DP and it
Why'd you
worked.
stop? Why'd you stop?
Oh, we surged. Oh, we might go.
He's out here styling.
Okay.